In this video, I'm going to show you some of the features that I introduced in Django 5. Today, I'm going to talk on only four features. So if you want to learn more about the feature introduced in Django 5, you can visit the Django official site. So first, let's move toward the one number. Facet filter in the administration side. So what it does is, let me explain you practically. Let's move to other browser. Currently, I'm running Django application in port 5000. This is a simple blog application. And let's move toward the admin side of this application. In this application, I have created the post and comment model. Let's navigate to post model. So, as you can see, I have displayed the title and slug. So in the filter, I have defined the filter as a created field. So let me show you how I did that. So I defined the filter based on created. So that's the reason the inside the filter section, the by created is shown. And as as you can see, there is the show count text. The main feature of show count is that by clicking on this, it will show an object count that come into that filter. So by clicking that, the facet is or true is append over the URL. And in Django 5, you can apply this filter permanently by defining a variable called show facets. So let me show you. So by defining this variable, it show the filter count object in admin panel. So let me save this and refresh this by removing this. And you can see the Eastern object is shown adjacent to that filter. So within the filter, I want to display the username and the corresponding object that created by them. So for that, I have to include the author inside list filter. Let me save this and let me refresh this, and you can see it is filtered based on the author. So the author Bhim created the four posts. So that's the reason it show the four. So this is the overall working mechanism of the facet. Another one is the more option for declaring model field choice. So in Django 5, it allow you to provide more option for declaring the choices. So let's move toward the models.py file. So in Django 5, you can define the choice as a dictionary, but in the Django 4, it will not support. So this feature is introduced in Django 5. You can define the dictionary, you can pass the dictionary over the choices. And you can pass the choices the based by creating the enum class also. So you can explore that in the from the documentation. Another one is the database computed default value. In Django 5, the DB default is equal to now. In Django 5, within the datetime field, you can pass the DB default. So the main purpose of this DB default is that this publish one is created. The date is assigned over this publish one when the post is saved. So this is created by the database. In most of the case in Django, uh, before you can experience that when you create the instance of the post model, the datetime field is created. So let me show you how it works. So to demonstrate this the feature, I have to move inside Django shell. So let this server and let's clear and let's move inside the shell. Let me import the post model. So from blog.post, sorry, the blog.models, import the post, and from django.config.path models, import user. While creating the post, we need the user. So that's the reason I'm importing the user. Now let's create the instance of post. So P is equal to post the for. Now let me pass the title. Check and one is of the body is equal to D only. Now we are the pass the author is equal to user dot objects dot first. Creating the instance, we can get the value of P publish, but we cannot get the value of P publish one. So let me show you. So P dot publish, here we can get the value is created. Now for the publish one, I have to write the publish dot publish one. We cannot get the value of publish one. So the reason is that we haven't saved this model. So let me save and let me see the value of publish one. And as you can see, when this more instance is saved over the database, this publish one is. So this is the all about the DP default. Now the last one is that the same simplified template for form field rendering. So in Django 5, within the form, you can pass the field called as field group. Django 4, mostly we can pass the form as paragraph. So by defining as paragraph, let me show you how it display first of all. Oh, I have to run the server. So exit 5000. Refresh this and insert the post. So this is the add new comment section, which code is written inside this template. So by defining the form.sp, this field is displayed as paragraph. So what we want to do is that field, we want we want to group this field. So to group this field like name, email, you can define the field as field group, which is introduced in Django 5. So let me comment this and comment out, comment out. So by defining in this way, by field grouping, you can define the custom CSS to parent uh, the diff also. So let me refresh this page, and as you can see, by grouping the particular field, it displays this. So this is the overall about the Django feature.